welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an ultimate clean with me because you know after the holidays things can get crazy. You let your house go. I haven't dusted in places that need to be dusted in so long. So I'm just going to take all of my cleaning products and just clean every surface of this house that I can in the daylight. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Haley. I have a little girl named Sydney. She is almost 2. She's gonna be 2 in February. Oh my goodness. But I do all kinds of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, beauty related videos, all kinds. So I would love to have you a part of my channel here. So please go ahead and click subscribe and have your notifications turned on because I don't have a set upload schedule. So that way you are notified every time that I upload. So I have to clean and declutter. I have like folded laundry sitting on this table, smeared fingerprints with peanut butter. You know the drill. Yeah, so I took down my Christmas tree yesterday. You guys saw it in that vlog. And I have some more Christmas things to get rid of. I think I'm gonna leave like this because this is a little more wintry and less Christmassy. But I am going to be getting rid of that. I don't even know. That was like nothing. But I'm gonna be keeping some of the stuff out, but getting rid of other stuff, if that makes sense. Oh, hello. Chemical breakage. And as you guys know, I always mention I get my products, my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. Not sponsored, don't worry. But let me show you here. They always have amazing gift sets. If you guys purchase, I think it's like $20 if you're a new sign up and if you purchase $20 worth of products. Basically, it's like the Walmart of organic, like, cleaning products, if that makes sense. You know, it's like a one-stop shop. They have cleaning products, beauty products, makeup wipes, deodorant, toothpaste, just all kinds of like natural, no chemical ingredients. And I never used to care until I had a kid who likes windows. You guys can get this. There's no way you're hungry. We just ate breakfast. Do you want a yogurt? Mama will give you a yogurt maybe. Is that yummy? So the kit comes with this cleaning caddy, and I just think it's so perfect because you can throw all of your cleaning supplies right in here and just carry them room to room with you. And honestly, I don't know where it's been all my life because I'm always like running back and forth for different things. Anyway, so it comes with a Mrs. Meyers dish soap, and you can choose your scent of choice. This one happens to be the orange clove, and it smells so good, you guys. It also comes with a Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaner, and I got the Iowa Pine scent. I know it's like not Christmas anymore, but for the winter time, I just love it. And then it also comes with a Mrs. Meyers hand soap, and again, I got the orange clove. And then it comes with 2 of the cellulose sponges, dish sponges. So yeah, you get this entire kit for free if you click my link and you're a new sign up. And then also if you're not a new sign up and you've already signed up before, you still get a free gift. If you click my link, there's always a free gift, but that will be in the description box below. But I'm gonna replace the hand soap and the dish soap with my other cleaning products, but I am gonna use the multi-surface. You guys know that I live by this container too. It's a glass container with like that silicone rubber grippy. This houses my glass cleaner. So I'm gonna be putting my glass cleaner in there. I have microcloths for my windows and mirrors. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, first things first, brewing a second coffee.
Obvious of us. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck, I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you.
If any of you have mirrors like this to clean, I 1000% recommend the microfiber cloths. It's Toy Story, honey. They don't leave the like paper towel streaks, and you can easily get into the crevices. And it changed my life when I started using these. It's Toy Story, babe.
Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck, I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
So excited to finally, I've had these things forever, the From Grove, another one with a white. This is for dish soap and this is for hand soap, and I've had these for a while, and I want to get rid of this clutter and make this look cute. so happy I got this rug. It looks so cute. It's the perfect little size. It might even seem a little bit small once we get, you know, all the rest of this furniture out, but it'll be completely fine. I'm gonna put her little table on it. And I know it's mostly like cream in the middle, but hopefully her table being in the center of it will be fine. But it's going to match just fine. These are a little bit more like peachy coral, but in the daylight, like this matches a little bit. It's fine. It has gold, and this has some gold in it too, like some sparkle gold. And then I don't know if I showed you the curtains that I got for her playroom. I got them, I think I might have shown you already, but I got them when I got these. Where did I put them, Sydney? The lighting is absolutely terrible. It's so dark in here, but these are the curtains that I ended up getting for the playroom, and they have the ruffles on the top and the bottom, and they're blackout curtains, which I guess we don't need for the playroom. I should probably get some blackout ones for her bedroom, but this is again like the corally peachy pink color. Oh my word, the lighting is just terrible. So those match perfectly, and this actually matches. It'll match just fine. So I'm really happy that I ended up getting this. I think it's like 4 feet 6 inches by like 5 feet 6 inches, something like that. So it's more appropriate. We didn't need a huge area rug. Are you happy? Sydney, do you have polka dots on your rug? Yeah. I'm already getting my refund from Wayfair. They took no time at all. So that's exciting. But I ended up not getting anything as far as organization goes. It was like too stressful to shop. You know, like when it's busy and you have your cart and you can't even get through aisles and it's just a mob scene. I hate shopping like that. That's why I much prefer, I love shopping online, but I like seeing things in person. It's just that, you know. Anyway, so that's the only thing we ended up getting. And tomorrow I'm going to tackle the bathroom and clean that. But for right now, I have to get Sydney fed some dinner. Yeah. She's like so happy. I need to still get the 3 up here. They only had 1 basket that I liked, the dark basket, and there was only 1 of them, so I just didn't bother. I'm just gonna buy all 3 of them probably online at some point, but I wanna make sure they match, so I didn't get it because I wanna just buy 3 at once. She's just happy to have something to like new to play on. I don't even know. Okay, so my Nespresso order finally came in, and I'm gonna show you what I got for pods. What did I get? The praline, if it will focus. Praline, hope that's good. I got 20 of those. That's the limited edition. And then also the macaroon. Sounded really good. So I got 2 of the macaroons, and then I got 1 of the caramel. These are just because I haven't tried them yet, so I'm, you know, testing out the flavors. And then I got 1 that is not flavored, and they all each like tube comes with 10 pods. And then so this one's just a normal, just non-flavored espresso. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try the caramel. I'm actually hoping I like these because I got 20 of these ones, but I'm really excited to try all of them actually. Macaroon, praline, caramel, and then the normal one with no flavor. Yay! I can't wait for tomorrow. I'm like all jacked up on coffee, and it's 6 o'clock because Mama got a salted caramel mocha. Little mess. I was gonna make a nice like big chicken dinner, but I have leftovers for days, so I just need it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be making a nice Sunday dinner. Is that good? Is there a pea stuck in there?